People who believe that flexible working doesn't work in manufacturing, we've trialled it for the last 3 years and it has worked great. We would never actually go back to a normal working week. It has massively benefited not just the business but the staffing, which was our main focus, but also our customers as well.
CeeD Systems is an engineering company. We work mainly for Scottish Water. We first introduced a 4-day working week in December 21, and we needed a unique selling point to try and bring on a lot of new engineers that we needed for the workshop, and it's definitely worked well.
We've got other examples across pretty much every discipline where we've got flexible arrangements in place, and we know that it's given us an advantage of holding on to or retaining or attracting really good people to our business.
In terms of how the flexible working has impacted the business, we've seen a massive increase in morale.
The main concerns were, I guess, the managers thought over productivity, but in the trial period we measured that and we never lost any productivity. If anything, we were maybe an hour or two up in some of the things that we built, so it was actually very positive. The 4-day week's definitely given a competitive edge over other contractors that still work in a 5-day week, that's for sure.
We embraced the living wage movement and then we signed up to living hours. We were in fact the first UK manufacturer to embrace living hours, which gives a commitment to the workforce that if they're going to be asked to do overtime or change any working patterns, we'll give them 4 weeks' notice.
I think R&W Scott are a happy team, but I don't think it's just totally to do with the flexible working. I think it's to do with the management structure and how it goes down through. It's respect to everybody at all levels.
I only started playing golf a couple of years ago. My handicap was probably 32, wasn't very good. Since then I've got it down to 19, so if you want to be a better golfer, do flexi time.
The real benefit is that then I get to spend Saturday and Sunday in the garden with my grandchildren, and without this 4-day working week, that would never happen.